Number 1.
1997 Ford F-150, price $9,550. It has been driven only 75,000 miles and is powered by its original 5.4-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been owned by the same original owner since new. It comes with a clean title and has never been involved in an accident, giving it a clean ownership and vehicle history. The truck presents well inside and out, with the exterior and interior both kept clean and well maintained. Mechanically, this F-150 runs excellent and is reported to have no known mechanical problems.
Everything is working properly, and the truck is smog ready and ready to go.
It offers a straightforward, dependable pickup with plenty of classic Ford character while still being practical for everyday driving or truck duties.
Number 2.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $6,000. The truck is a very clean extra cab short bed pickup finished in gold with a brown interior. It has 81,000 miles and is powered by a 4.0L V6 paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and 4x4, making it an excellent combination for a Ranger of this era. The truck is exceptionally clean from top to bottom, with a very nice interior, exterior, and undercarriage. The engine runs perfectly, the truck drives tight, and all interior functions work properly, including the power windows, power locks, and air conditioning.
It also features a newer head unit with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. The Ranger does carry a salvage title due to a previous incident in which another driver hit the rear left corner while the truck was parked. The cosmetic damage was professionally repaired and the truck now presents very well.
Recent maintenance includes an oil change, new tires, rear brakes, and a full detail. Overall, this 1996 Ford Ranger stands out as a well-maintained and exceptionally clean 4x4 with desirable equipment and a strong combination of practicality and classic compact truck character.
Number 3.
2004 Dodge Dakota, price $4,900, with 93,200 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gray exterior paired with a gray interior. Considering its age, the relatively low mileage is one of its highlights. It is running well and remains a solid choice for someone looking for an affordable pickup that can handle everyday work and utility duties. The truck has also received some recent maintenance, including a new AC compressor and an oil change within the last few months. The Dakota is equipped with cold AC and hot heat, making the climate controls useful in all seasons. The radio and cruise control are both working properly, while the brakes and tires are reported to be in very good condition. There are also no check engine or warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, indicating that there are no known warning issues at the time of the listing.
The main cosmetic concern is some rust on the rocker panels, which is understandable for a truck of this age.
Overall, this 2004 Dodge Dakota offers low mileage, a clean title, recent maintenance, good running condition, and practical work truck capability.
Number 4.
1987 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500. It has 75,700 miles and is powered by a 4-cylinder Iron Duke engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Finished in white with a tan interior, it features manual steering, crank windows, air conditioning, and TBI fuel injection. The truck has very little rust and remains clean for its age, with the paint and body showing only minor dings, dents, and chips. It starts, runs, drives, shifts through all gears, and stops properly. The fuel and ignition systems were refreshed about 2 years ago with a new OEM fuel pump, injector, spark plugs, wires, distributor, and cap, along with a new exhaust. The tires are also in great shape. The previous owner painted the original bed white, although that coating has started to flake, revealing the OE paint underneath, which remains in excellent condition. Included with the truck is a partially completed black interior package with a freshly upholstered seat, black seatbelts, and black door cards. There are a few known issues, including an AC system that no longer blows cold, an inaccurate fuel gauge, a weak battery that has been kept on a charger, and a small chip in the windshield.
Number 5.
2001 Ford F-150, price $3,200, with 247,000 miles showing on the odometer, an automatic transmission, and a V6 engine. It features a tan exterior with a beige interior and runs and drives exceptionally well. Although the odometer shows 247,000 miles, a replacement engine was installed 47,000 miles ago, meaning the current engine has only approximately 47,000 miles. The truck has been owned by one owner and has received regular maintenance, including oil changes every 2,500 to 3,000 miles. The truck comes with a clean title and current registration through next year. It has ice-cold air conditioning, new Bridgestone tires with white lettering, and a factory Ford bedliner.
Everything remains original, and there are no known mechanical issues or leaks.
Overall, this F-150 has been very well cared for and is described as running and driving like new.
Number 6.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 207,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a 5.3L engine. It features an off-white exterior with a black interior and runs on gasoline.
The truck has a 3-inch lift, 33-inch tires mounted on aftermarket Mayhem wheels, and an aftermarket grille with rain guards. It also has LED headlight bulbs, smoked headlight housings.
The heat and AC both work properly, while the heated seats add extra comfort. Inside, the truck has a newer radio with wireless Apple CarPlay and an aftermarket trailer brake controller.
It also comes with a clean Wyoming title.
The main drawbacks are that the ABS and brake warning lights are currently illuminated, and the driver's side armrest is torn.
Number 7.
1998 Dodge Ram 2500, price $4,500, with 155,000 miles, an automatic transmission, silver exterior, gray interior, and a gasoline-powered 5.9-liter Magnum V8.
It is clean inside and out, runs and drives great, and is mechanically sound.
The truck has been well maintained, with oil changes consistently performed on time. It does have a tear in the seat and a few dings here and there, but those are minor imperfections for an older truck. It also features a spray-in bedliner and newer tires. With its dependable 5.9-liter Magnum V8, good mechanical condition, and clean title in hand, this Ram 2500 remains a strong and practical truck for its age.
Number 8.
1995 Dodge Ram 2500, price $5,588, powered by a 5.9L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and 4x4 drivetrain. With just 98,500 miles, features the SLT package, white exterior paint, and a gray interior, along with power windows and locks, working air conditioning, and an AM/FM cassette player. It also sits on good tires and is reported to run and drive excellent. The factory paint is peeling in some areas, a common issue on this generation of Dodge Ram, but overall the truck remains solid and dependable. With its low mileage, one-owner history, 4x4 capability, and strong-running V8, it represents a great opportunity for someone looking for a reliable and increasingly hard-to-find work truck.
Number 9.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. The truck is a gold exterior with a gray interior, 263,000 miles, and an automatic transmission. Powered by a 5.3L engine with a rebuilt transmission, 3.73 gears, and a G80 rear differential. It features a 2/4 drop, brand new tires, new body mounts, a fully refreshed AC system that blows cold, power windows and locks, an upgraded radio, center console swap, bed cover, new carpet, and new headliner. The catless Y-pipe triggers a check engine light for the rear O2 sensors. The rockers in bed have rust, with the bed rust around the wheel openings covered by flares, and there is an old fifth wheel/gooseneck hole in the bed.
Number 10.
1993 Ford F-350, price $2,700. It has been driven 92,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior. Powered by a petrol engine, it delivers strong and reliable performance, making it well suited for towing, heavy-duty work, or even conversion into a camper for extended living. The truck comes with complete and valid documentation, including a current emissions certificate that was passed without issue.
Its air conditioning works great, and the engine runs robustly and powerfully. The registration is valid through December 2025 and the truck is ready to be transferred to its new owner.
There are some minor paint imperfections, but overall, it remains a capable and versatile heavy-duty pickup.